Mr. Richardson, and I'm here to tell you about this new idea that me and my friends have. We call it the Candycat calendar, and we're out to do a good thing. The Candycat calendar is something everyone needs. We came up with this idea to help out a few of our less fortunate friends. As you know, some of us cats are less lucky than myself and spend their precious lives without a home. If they're lucky enough, they get rescued by a cat shelter and live in a safe, clean environment and get food every day. Cat shelters are run by dedicated volunteers, and they desperately depend on good people like you who spare their time to help at shelters. We're currently working on the calendar design, and the first draft is already ready. We're asking feline friends to help us by buying any one of our Candycat calendars. There are 4 versions available: a desktop, a digital one, a poster, and a cool wall calendar. They're nice to have in your home or your office, or you can buy one as a gift for a cat lover. Will you support us? We desperately need your help for this shelter to keep our friends alive and healthy, so that hopefully people will adopt them into their own homes and have a new friend.